Waikīkī, being really the center of the tourist industry in Hawaii, is essential to making sure that the economy stays healthy and vibrant.
Mamua na e o ko Waikīkī lilo ana he wahi ho'ona nea kaulana o Hawaii nei, wa momona no ke kaia o lau laila mai nā mauna ki e o manoa a hiki loa I nā wane kaulana o ia kahakai nei.
A beach is like a bank account. There are inputs and there are takeaways from the bank account of sand. And if humans interfere with nature's ability to manipulate the sand on a beach, we can cause erosion without realizing it.
A o ko kākou a ke a ana I ko ia aina ke kumu o ke ia a aia wā nei.
We've put highways right next to the shoreline. We've put hotels and homes. And when sea level rise and beach erosion threatens those features, we tend to put up seawalls to protect them. And a seawall on an eroding beach spells the end of that beach.
No laila, ma kahi o ka ohi ana I ke one mai na kahakai a wahi e mawaha o Waikīkī e like me ka mea I hana ia mamua, wa imi ia ke kahi ala o ko ai ke au puni I mea e ho'oponopono ai ia pilikia nei.
Because we've engineered and altered the shoreline so dramatically over the last century, we are trying to reestablish a natural process that has been lost.
Ke ohi nei ke au puni ke one he e lua kaukani e lima haneli kapua I mai waho aku o Waikīkī. I mea e kapili hou ia ke kahakai mai ke kia ho'omana o Duke a hiki loa I ka hōkele o Roy Hawaiian.
So we're going to go get that sand and we're going to pump it to the beach and use that sand to renourish the beach and do basically monitoring of the beach over time to see how the erosion is progressing to know when we have to come back and do a renourishment after that.
Eia nae, ua hiki noia kākou ke ho'alo I ke ia pilikia nei I nā ua no'ono'opono mua ia.
It would make a lot of sense to create a buffer zone, a green strip between the beach and the first building or the first road. Make a natural coastal park that could be 200 to 400 feet wide, for instance. Put the hotels and all of the shops and everything mauka of that.
A aia ke ia e lua haneli ka e hahaneli kapua I makahi o ke ala nui o kuhio I kia manawa. He ko a nui ia mai kahi e ku nei na hale nui I kia manawa. Eia nae, he ike ko'i ke ia e no'ono'o ai ke ho'omaka hou ke kukulu ana o na hale nui. A he ko'i o iaku kona vai ma mua o ko kākou ekonomia.
Beaches are endemic to Hawaii. They are a feature that is part of what is Hawaii, what it was in the past and what it will be in the future. And if we lose beaches, then we're going to be losing a piece of ourselves and a piece of our culture.
No ka ike pili ho aku e kele aku ia o Waikīkī TV. O wau no ki ia o Iwalani kuali I ka ho'ohanohano. Aloha!